So we are in week 2 of the stamps. We're going to have 3 full weeks. So last week, Karen taught you how to use a gradient to color stamps. And today's Sunday snippet, you are going to learn how to color stamps with the brush. I think you're going to love this. Again, if you are a very, very beginner, make sure you go back and you watch the intro, intermediate, and advanced classes first, and then tackle the members only classes. Be sure to go inside of the members area and sign up for the next upcoming members only class. The reason why I tell you to sign up is because if you forget and you try to sign up like 5 minutes before the live class is going to be held, the computer doesn't have enough time to verify that you are indeed a paid member. So that's why I say you have to sign up and register at least an hour before the live class is held. But if you are thinking, yes, I think I am going to go to the class, go ahead and sign up. If you don't show up, it's not a big deal. All of them are recorded and they're inside the members area within a few hours after the live class. So if you do miss it, if there's technical difficulties or whatever, then you can watch the rewind. Hopefully you will enjoy this little snippet, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.
So what we're going to do basically is use a brush to apply color wherever we want. So you have a lot more creativity with this method. If you have a pencil handy, write this down. Natural brushes 2, number 118 pixels, and number 64 in the natural brushes number 2, and also number 20. So click on your brushes, make sure you're on the brush tool. And right over here, you can click here to see what other brushes you have available. Let's see, right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go, here are the natural brushes number 2. And when I say number 118 pixel, I just like this one right here. It was 118. And then 64, and then there was, and number 20. Those were that's 20 pixels, but I was just calling them by that name, basically. Okay, so what we want to do is create a layer above the stamp by clicking this little icon right here. And the reason I want to do that is I don't want to color the stamp itself. I want to be able to adjust the color if I don't like it, or if I want to lower the opacity of it, or change the blend mode of it. So I want each color to be on its own layer. So let's go ahead and start with this yellow just for the fun of it. And I'm just going to go right over this. Now that obviously looks pretty bad. What we need to do is make sure that this is clipped to the stamp. So again, Alt, hover in between, left click, and now that's clicked. That's attached to the stamp, or it's the clipping mask there.
An option on the Mac.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I need to say that. I always forget. Okay, so let's go ahead and create another layer. We want to make sure it's clipped, and you're just going to go around until you find the color that you want, and you're just going to color these.
That's
and
so cool.
It might not be all the same. You know, you don't necessarily have to have a beautiful, completely purple flower. I'm going to do a little aqua here. Just however you want it, you're going to color it. Let's do a little blue down here. I had a sample, but it's in another folder, so I'll wait till I get there. Okay, do you understand the concept behind this?
How's everybody doing? Yes, says Susan.
Okay, I'm not going to go ahead and take all the time to color this unless anybody has any questions. But you can see, you just keep coloring until you're happy with it. And I sometimes will just color and then go, I don't like that, and move it to a different area or anything, just till I'm happy with it. I might even color over like I did right there to get more of a blended look.
That's cool.
Questions?
No, I think we're good. People are saying this is beautiful, very nice. And then, yeah, like you said, you could play around with the opacity if you wanted to make it lighter or whatever. And then if you
easy.
wanted to transfer this onto your digital scrapbook page, you would flatten all of that and then just drag it and drop it onto your page.
Yes, I probably would do that. If you know you're not going to change it in any way at all, you can click on the first one, hold down the shift key, click on the stamp, right click, merge layers, and then you have your stamp. And you can move it however you want it.